Some people like to meditate alone in a cave or under a tree. They do not realize that this behavior is quite dangerous. It easily attracts the interference of non-human beings. Granted, the sutras say to practice in a quiet place, but the preconditions are that the practitioner has already followed a teacher for an extremely long time, mastered all the teachings, and eradicated all doubts. Only then may the practitioner retreat to a quiet area. First, they must respect their teacher, constantly practice guru yoga, and wholeheartedly pray for their teacher's blessings. In this way, they will avoid the interference of non-human beings. Second, they must cultivate great compassion. If they have truly aroused the bodhicitta of great compassion and loving kindness, they are beyond the harm of any non-human being.